What's the meaning of bandito? Bandito. Bandito.
Bandito. Bandito. Bandito is a Spanish term that refers to a bandit, often associated with the image of an outlaw in Western or Hispanic cultures. The word itself has a negative connotation and is typically used to describe someone who commits crimes or engages in illegal activities. Bandito can also be used to describe a member of a gang or criminal organization. In recent years, the term has been popularized in music and pop culture, particularly in the song "Bandito" by the American rock band 21 Pilots. Overall, bandito is a loaded term that conjures up images of danger, lawlessness, and rebellion.